Welcome to Karin Designs. Obviously, as the name shows, this is my company. I'm Karin Ross, and I'm the senior designer in the company. This is a design build, and we do remodeling. We also do new build, but our main focus is on the remodeling because in remodeling, people don't concentrate on the price per square foot as much as they do when they do a new construction. In remodeling is, or at least what we offer, is the absolutely items that people want. They don't necessarily need, it's all about they want. We have been in business now for approximately 25 years. Again, between remodeling and new construction. Remodeling is our, like I said, prime focus because people have lived in a house, they know what they like and what they don't like into their homes, and it is time for me to make them better and give them what they think they're missing, or improve what the home has. Sometimes people have no idea what they need until I tell them the options and what they really can do with the space. They just know something is missing. Why we are different and why we say you need to give us a call and let us at least see and give us our opinion on a project before you determine who you're going to use is because we're truly timeless. We don't go with trends. I have said many times, we create the trends. And our trends that we create is not about following the perfect orange color by Sherwin-Williams this month. Or this fall. It is about being timeless for years to come, because any remodeling projects and improvement are expensive. So we make sure that your investment gives you back with time and usability and functionality and joy to use it, what you have invested in it. So we also are known to be very different in our approach. We create art, we create remodelings that are inspiring, not just functional. And we truly, through our sessions, figure out what you need and we give it to you. Many times, like I said, clients don't even know they need such an item until they see it, understand it, and they cannot do without it. So if you are looking for a project to remodel kitchen, bathroom, the whole house or basement, you truly should give us a call and let us be one of the firms that come and see the project, because we will tell you what's possible, what is not, and give you straightforward opinion about what you should or shouldn't do. And then you make the decision. If you want to get in touch with us, you are welcome to go to our website, karinrossdesigns.com, and fill up the appointment page and appointment request, or you're also welcome to call 816-425-2815 to make an appointment.